Hello, this is Gallon Gamer here, and welcome to Teardown. Yes, I decided I'm going to be making an episode on this today. So I'm just going to dive right into the campaign. I've already done quite a lot of campaign. So, you see I'll be level 56, have a decent stack of cash, and can't bat around the TV. Now, let's see what the computer has to say. It might be some sort of fire alarm mission. Let's check. Explosion sensors. Right, I guess I'll have to plan out another route. Well, this does look quite similar to what I had before on the other Hollow Rock mission. Oh, right. You could take these. I totally forgot that. Because I've seen this game on other YouTubers' channels. Not to worry. I'm a certified propane expert. I know what I'm doing. Actually, I don't, so don't trust me. Right. Here seems good. I'll have probably enough time to get it from up there. Right. Next target is in here. Right. Remove this side. Remove this side. Remove the... Oh, no, not that. There we go. And save again. Right now, the last few targets are all over here. There we are. Blowtorch this end. Blowtorch this end. Right, let me know in the comments if you want to see more of this. Because I do enjoy this game. And this would mean I have more content. For you. Right, what was it? Shotgun. That's how easy it is to open a door. This is now propane tank 3 of 4, because one's trapped on a roof. And save. So it doesn't quite blow up on me immediately. Can I get... Right, now, quick save. And do the same thing I just did. And now, we simply just drag it over where the other ones are. And then see what I can do about the one on the roof. There we go. Now it's just one left up there. Oh, and first save. Right, now. Blowtorch. Blowtorch this away. No, I just need these to go away. And practically, I'm going to drag this to the edge. That isn't good. Okay, that'll rock too. Where's my rockets? And now... break my legs and the impact of the boat. And that's it. There we go. I didn't plan on dropping the propane tank, it just happened, but, here we go. Oh, I got a new... Oh, I got a cash reward, nice. Right, now I think we still have time to do, satellite dishes. This might be the one... Yeah, guard helicopter. Armed helicopter. Right. Download communication data from 3 satellite dishes and at least 2 communication terminals. And arrives shortly after hacking the first target. Upstairs. How do I get over there now with this helicopter? It's like hovering right above me. Okay, I'm gonna make a break for it. No, 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 no. In. There we go. Right. This is supposedly a target. And yoink. Right now, over here. I think just behind this wall. Oh, cash. Right now, need to get over there and into there. Best bet is to go through here. Well, I need to get up there. Oh, cash. Yes, this is good. This is definitely the right way. In. Got enough shotgun for this. Right. Where is it? It is just outside here. Gonna guess it's up there. Yep. Right, and now it's just for the last required one. And that is over here. Back through the cave. Out of there. Yep. Okay, good. Right, it's here. Yep. Through the fish flap. Out of this. Wait. Yeah. Have to do that. Can't get me in the cave, can ya? Still need to get up there. How do I do that? Bollocks. That's not good. Go, 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 go. Maybe I can make this, maybe I can make this. I can make this, I can make this, I can make this, I can make this, I can make this. In. Yes! Where is it, where is it? It's this way up. Okay. Where's the stairs? Who's hidden the stairs? Where are the stairs? I'd like some stairs, please. Over here. Right. Yep. It's up there. There it is. There we go. Now, where's my escape vehicle? Okay. Right. Well, first of all, I'm gonna set this place on fire. For extra dramatic effect. Go. Escape vehicle is right there. Well, yeehaw. Ow. No, that didn't do much damage. Now, well, see you later, chopper. Oh, God. Yep. There we go. And I think that that's enough to do it for today's episode of Sledgehammer Time. So, ooh, this place. There's things going on here which shan't happen. Right. So, with that, thank you for watching. That was it. I sure hope you enjoyed it. And see you next time. Ending. And bye.